Welcome back to my 31 days of summer barbecue. Now we have tons of barbecue recipes coming out over the next month. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a trick and you catch every single one. Barbecued mackerel with ginger, garlic, honey, soy. Let's get it. Now, butchery and fishmongery are two different things. The term getting butchered is normally not a good term to use. So you don't want to butcher your fish, you want to fishmonger it. Fishmongery is more surgical. Butchery is more methodical. Meat has a little bit more to give, it's a little bit more forgiving, whereas fish, it's delicate, it's small, so you need a proper sharp knife and a good understanding of what you're doing and where those bones are. So for this dish, we want to butterfly the mackerel. And to do that, you take the fish down to the board with the head pointing away from you, open up that middle, clean out any guppings if there is any. This is nice and clean. And you want to find that spine with the tip of your knife and just follow it all the way down to the tail. Now you're not going too deep in here, and they're keeping the tip of the knife pointed towards the spine. Now for the other side, same story, but this time the tail is away from you. You're going on the other side of the spine. When you open this up, it's surgical, it's delicate, so you don't want to slam your knife in there. Just with the tip of that razor sharp knife, you're teasing in, easing in, and finding the way over the both sides of that spine. Now all that's left to do is take your scissors and snip it out, and it really is as simple as that. Butterflying mackerel has got a bit of a reputation of being fiddly, but with a couple of cool, confident strokes, you can get that backbone out and you end up with this beautifully prepped, stunning piece of mackerel. Scrape away any of the excess bones, give it a little trim up on the sides, and you're done. Beautiful, boneless, butterflied mackerel. We've got that fatty luxuriousness that comes with a good piece of mackerel. It's fresh, it's packed full of flavour, but we want to bolster that flavour, we want to improve it. So to do that, we're going to make a marinade. A marinade, kind of like a dressing, that's going to help that mackerel sing. First up, lime. Zest of a lime. You want to get one of these. This is a microplane. What's a microplane? It's a mini grater, and that's going to allow me to get all the fragrance, all the green bit off of that lime without getting any of the white bit, which is pithy and bitter. So down to the board, make sure it's stable, and then you're just going to drag that lime across, full of perfume, full of fragrance, full of flavour. Next up, the juice. To extract that properly, when the lime is still whole, down to the board, and you roll it. And don't roll it around for no reason. Put some weight onto that, because you're trying to crush the inside of the lime to extract the maximum amount of juice. In half, and then you squeeze all that out. We've got garlic, which brings a little bit of sweetness. It brings some depth, but it's got body of flavour. We need spice. The spice is coming in the form of this beautiful chili. Just slice it as thin as you can. If you don't like it too hot, you can take the middle bit out, the pith out, the white bit. The white bit is the hot bit on chilies, then the seeds are sort of second and the flesh is third in the bowl. Next up, honey, sweetness, good bit of runny honey, straight in, salt, soy, it's the same. It's got body, it's got depth, it's got flavour, but it's also got that salty element which is going to help marinate this mackerel and carry all those flavours across. So a good splash of that straight in. And like with any dressing, you need fat, you need this oil to help the heat from the barbecue transfer onto the mackerel and also to protect it. So we're going to have some of that in our marinade. Now all that's left to do is stir this together, and that is what you're left with. Beautiful, sweet, sort of sticky, pungent marinade that's going to go all over this mackerel and bring out the best flavour of it. So pour it over, don't be shy, so you're getting every inch of that mackerel coated in that stunning flavour. Our grill is now hot. Our mackerel is beautifully marinated. We've got a couple of bits here just to finish the plate. Some pickled ginger, a few sesame seeds, a little bit of coriander and some lime ready for the juice. Now we want to grill. Our vents are open, our bars are hot. I am satisfied. A little bit of rain. All right. Wouldn't be an English barbecue without a little bit of rain, so we're going to go on to the grilling. We've got these beautiful hot flames just coming up and licking that grill. The smoke is see-through, it's clear, it's not dirty smoke, it's a beautiful clean burn from those stunning coals. Now what we want to do is take this mackerel very easily, just lay it over the hottest part of that grill. straight on there, and then lid straight down. And once these are done, they're gonna go straight onto our serving plate. We're looking at 30 seconds, 40 seconds, lift up, and you can see that stunning mackerel just start to char, just start to blacken. Now at this stage, take this beautiful little palette knife, lift it from the bars, and then off and onto the plate. And what you'll end up with is this stunning blackened mackerel, beautifully charred. The heat from that chili just sort of warming up with the flames and the coals. Then we're gonna freshen it up with our beautiful bits of pickled ginger, generously lashed all over the top. Good pinch of our sesame seeds, and then our beautiful pieces of coriander melting into that skin, giving their perfume, and finishing off this dish with a really nice fresh note. And with a little bit of lime on the side, that's our stunning barbecued mackerel with ginger, garlic, honey, soy, the stunning hit from that beautiful lime zest, all charred up, smoky and delicious. Good enough for your British barbecue. I think you.